What is an AI side hustle? An AI side hustle is a venture that leverages AI technologies to generate additional income for you. It allows you to apply your AI skills and knowledge to create products or services that cater to market needs. The beauty of an AI side hustle is that it can be pursued on a part-time basis, providing flexibility and the potential for growth. Benefits of starting an AI side hustle. There are a number of benefits to starting an AI side hustle. First, they're more lucrative than conventional side hustles because they take less time. There are many opportunities for profitable AI side hustles. Most AI tools are easy to learn and use. There is great demand for the right AI side hustles, and many marketplaces are available to promote your AI side hustle. Identify profitable AI side hustle opportunities. You need to identify a profitable AI side hustle to start with. Take a look at what is working right now. In this video series, we will reveal 6 proven AI side hustle ideas that you can start. There must be demand for your AI side hustle. You can look at platforms like Fiverr.com and Etsy.com to see what products and services are selling well and determine if you can use AI tools to profit from this. Choose the right AI side hustle for you. Once you've identified potential AI side hustle opportunities, it's time to choose the right one for you. Evaluate the feasibility and scalability of each opportunity. It's important to choose an AI side hustle that you are passionate about. When you are genuinely interested in something, it becomes easier to stay motivated and overcome challenges. Consider the profitability of your chosen side hustle, as it is essential to clearly understand its financial viability. AI tools and skills. One of the best things about AI side hustles is that you don't need to be an expert. You can use AI tools to create images for you automatically with no graphic design skills, for example. ChatGPT is a very flexible AI tool that can perform many different functions, as you will see in this video series. The skill that you need for a successful AI side hustle is providing the right text prompts so you get the results you want. Learning AI prompts. You need to learn the best prompts to enter into your chosen AI tools to achieve the best results. The problem is that different AI tools require different prompts to deliver the best outcomes. Once you have chosen your AI tools, research the best prompts to use for them online. There are plenty of videos and other resources available to show you how to create the right prompts. Practice using these prompts until you master everything. Choose the right marketplace for your AI side hustle. When you are ready to start your AI side hustle, it is essential that you choose the right marketplace to promote it. An AI side hustle can be the provision of either products or services. If you want to provide digital products, then Etsy.com is a good marketplace. It receives more than 460 million visitors a month looking to buy something. For services, Fiverr.com is also one of the best marketplaces. The site receives over 60 million visitors every month. Promote your AI side hustle. By adding your AI side hustle to platforms like Etsy and Fiverr, you will get some traffic, but you need to do more than this. Create a promotion plan for your AI side hustle and identify the channels you will use. Now, these can include your website, social media sites where your audience hangs out, YouTube and other video marketing sites, related online forums, and email marketing. Except that AI is not perfect. You can now use AI to create graphics, content for your websites, books to promote on Amazon, digital printables to promote on Etsy, and so much more. While AI tools are very good, they are not perfect yet and may never be. For example, content written by AI can be soulless and also inaccurate. Edit what your AI tools produce and make changes where necessary to deliver the best results. Choose your AI side hustle and get started today.